not to modify? That's the question we're going to answer in today's episode. Pop quiz. What did those 3 clips from the very beginning all have in common? They're all stock, factory Lamborghini sounds. From our Aventador, which was the first supercar in the garage, to the STO, and then now the Revuelto. All of them have been stock, bone stock. The only modified car currently in the garage is the C6 Drift Corvette, and that takes modification to a whole new level because it has a wide body kit, angle kit, a hydro was added, roll cage, cam, straight pipe, you name it, this car has it. It is a regular question about putting an aftermarket exhaust and or a tune on the Lambos. Let's be honest, we would love to throw some 8-foot flames out the back of a Lambo. I mean, who wouldn't want to do that? We're going to jump in today and talk about why we haven't and whether or not we might in the future. Every other Lambo that you see in this clip has an aftermarket exhaust, so there has definitely been plenty of peer pressure to change out the exhausts on the Lambos. But reason number one that it has not happened is because of factory warranty. Most manufacturers, especially of supercars, have terminology written into warranty paperwork that basically says that they can nullify some of the mechanical parts of the warranty if there are aftermarket exhaust, tune, etc. Modifications done to a car. Some friends have successfully pushed back whenever warranty claims have been denied due to aftermarket exhaust and tune work, and other friends have been on the hook for repairs that would have otherwise been covered under their warranty if they hadn't gotten an aftermarket exhaust or tune. Even though the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act is cited as something that can support you if warranty work is denied, it's just not worth the headache to go through it. These cars sound phenomenal stock, as you've heard in a lot of these clips, and it is just not worth the headache to potentially void the warranty on a very expensive repair down the road. Most of you know, Lamborghinis are not cheap to service or fix. Reason number 2, resale value. This is a much debated topic. Do aftermarket modifications on supercars hurt value? Do they not impact value? Do they improve value? You guys sound off in the comments because there's a lot of opinions around this. Our thought process with the Lambos we have now and the Aventador was and is that we'd rather not have any questions around it. But what questions would impact resale value potentially? Who installed it? Who installed the exhaust? Did they put in proper heat management? What kind of maintenance has been done on it? Did the owner just absolutely dog the crap out of this car because it's twin turboed, because it's supercharged, because it has an aftermarket exhaust? Were the prior owners or prior owner, were they just sitting there and whop, 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 every car meet? What does the wear and tear look like now that this car has aftermarket modifications? And is it going to result in a bigger headache down the road? Now, that's not saying that people that don't have aftermarket modifications don't also dog the absolute crap out of their cars. And if that's their thing, by all means, do it. We want everybody to use their cars the way that they want to use their cars. We're here for it. I mean, do it. For us, part of the reason that we do not is for resale value. We want to be able to turn around and sell these cars whenever the time comes, like the Aventador, and not give any potential buyer a reason to offer less for something that's unknown. So for the foreseeable future, especially with the current cars here, this one has a 5-year factory warranty with it. That thing ain't getting anything anytime soon. This one is either out of warranty now or coming out of warranty, but still for resale value purposes, especially with this being a last generation V10, probably nothing happening to it, because something like this down the road probably going to hold value pretty well. These cars are not purchased to make money. That is not the game here. Not saying we're trying to make these appreciate. It's more of avoiding the aftermarket modifications because we don't want to give a reason for them to depreciate any more than they already do. So that's sort of the thought process behind maintaining resale value. Before you think that we are driving around lame Lamborghinis because we don't modify them, here are a few more clips of the stock Lambos that absolutely don't suck. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment before you take off, and we'll see you next episode.